Hi and welcome. I am going thrifting today and I hope that I get some pretty cool things. So I hope that you'll come along with me and finish out the video. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a haul at this video. It seems like every time I have a haul video they don't do as well. So we're going to just kind of change it up, see how it goes.
It's been really gloomy and rainy for the last week or so, and so it's kind of dark here, but I am still going out shopping. And I wanted to look at the lamps here and see if I could find anything interesting. I was looking for a lampshade that I could do some outdoor kind of thing with, but they didn't have anything interesting that I could use. Now this I thought was kind of cool, but it was pretty dirty. It looked like it was just a lamp that lit up those flowers around it. They just didn't have any vintage or antique style that I wanted to show you. So I headed on back into the back area, and they had this really cute shelf here. I don't really need a shelf because I have some that I have to redo. So I didn't get those, but that frame was pretty interesting. I just don't have the room, the wall space for a big frame like that. And again, just kind of skimming through everything to show you what they had, giving you a better look here. And that picture right there, I used to have one similar to that back in the 90s, but it was bigger pane window looking things. But that one definitely is at least 70s, 80s style. Still really cute if you have like a farmhouse kind of cabin or something like that. Now look at this. I thought this was super cute. It's succulents and it is only $2. And so I thought that would be really cute in my home. And after I cleaned it up, it turned out so cute. And you can find them at Walmart, and there's a 2-pack here online for $42. So this was roughly $21 back in when it was purchased, and I paid $2. So now I'm just kind of looking through the rest of the foliage here. It's just all fake greenery. Now I thought these were interesting. I picked them up and looked at them, and I'm assuming they're for tacos, to hold your tacos when you're preparing them. And I think they wanted $2 a piece for them, and they're handmade ceramics from the 80s, early 80s to mid 80s, and they matched, but they did have 2 different dates on them. And I was first gonna get them, but then I changed my mind because I looked them up. They didn't sell for very much, and I don't want them for my personal use, but I thought those were kind of neat. Now this was really pretty, and it was like a cake stand, and it was really bowed on the top. Now this was really pretty. It's more modern, it's newer, so I did leave that behind, but now I'm wishing I would have gotten that one. It is pretty. I found this box, and it looks like it's, probably half full, if not less, but it was $2, and there's silver toggle pieces with beads and everything in it. So I thought that was a really good deal, and I plan to make a few bracelets for myself anyway, and I thought that was neat. So I found this in a box, and it's super cute figurine, and it's for friendships, and it says it's a recipe where she's mixing up the batter. I thought it was super cute, and look at this. It's brand new in the box, so I'm gonna list this on my Etsy. It's made by a Nesco company, and it lists for around $35, and I only paid $1.50. I couldn't believe I found this, and there's no cracks or chips on the glass at all. It's all hand-blown pumpkin. It's so pretty, and in person it looks even better than on the camera here. Look how pretty. It cleaned up really well too, and I only paid $1.50 for this, and I am so glad I found it. It is listing for around $36 to $40, but I'm gonna keep it, of course. When looking through the candle section, I came across this bag, and I thought it was just regular moccasins at first, and I knew they were old. But when I got them home, I looked at it, and at first I thought it was just 2 pair and 1 single, but I have 3 pairs of these, and they're Bulgarian vintage moccasins. And when looking them up, this is one that's really similar from another country, but US dollars is $46 that they're selling them for. And then there's this here, it's the translation of that little paper that says that they were made back in 1986 as souvenirs in Bulgaria, and they go for about $6.80. So I thought that was pretty cool. Now, I normally don't pick up bells, but I saw this, it has July on it, and I thought that would be a super cute item to put out for the 4th of July, and so I picked that one up. It's from 1989, and it's lead crystal, and I think it may be an Avon piece, and it doesn't go for much, but I only paid 75 cents. This was a Yankee Candle votive holder. It was really pretty, could be used for Christmas, and I didn't pick that one up. I saw this china set on the end cap here, and I thought it was so beautiful. And with the wheat design on it, I haven't seen this pattern before, and that yellow is just so pretty, and I just wanted to share. And now we're just over in the baking glass, and they had some pretty neat vintage baking dishes. That one with the lid was really pretty too. And this one is glass bake, and I made sure it didn't glow first before I left it behind, but I should have picked it up and put it on my Etsy shop because they sell pretty well. Now these are a little vintage, they're from the 80s, but I didn't like the style, so I ended up leaving them. I did pick up this, I don't know why, it's not the full set and it's not even old. It's newer from Amazon, but I did like it, so I picked that up. And you can see my basket is full. But I did end up putting some of that back. This set wasn't very old, but it was a cute set for Christmas time with the little dip bowl and the platter. And it was from Hallmark. And so I debated on getting it, but I ended up putting it back. Here are a few of the things that I ended up picking up, and it's not a haul. hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know. I want to get some good feedback from y'all so that I know exactly what I should be bringing to you. So thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Sometimes play chess, and when I'm out, I'm looking